Hi, welcome to Maths Made Easy with Delmi, and I'm Delmi. Today, I'll take you through the length of a tangent from an external point to the circle with the simplest approach and the fastest approach indeed. There are lots of ways to solve, to find the length of a tangent from an external point. Okay, there are a lot of ways, but this is the easiest I've seen so far. Okay, the easiest approach to it. Now, let's take the questions I have on the screen. Let's take the question I have on the screen. For example, P is the 0.78 coordinate. Find the length of the tangent from P to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. Now the first attempt to this, supposing you are following the normal procedure, you're following the usual method. Okay, you first have to get the center, then after the center you get the radius, then you apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you apply the Pythagoras theorem to get your length of the tangent, and that is after you have got the hypotenuse. Okay, and when students try to solve this, they mostly complain that this is time consuming, blah blah blah, and sometimes even they make mistakes when they try to find the radius, from the radius to the length of the hypotenuse, and before they get to the length of the tangent, so they sometimes miss the step up, so those are the complaint. But you know what? Here is a solution to that. Now let's see. Let me start with the sketching. Okay, so we first sketch. Okay, sketching. I want to show you what is it, how to solve this. Now the sketching. Okay, so this is a circle with the tangents. Okay, then a radius and a line joining the radius and the tangent. So we have this. Okay, let me join them all. Okay, so now the external points, which is the P, and the tangent point, which is T, the center O. All right, so here usually what we do is using the circle theorem. We conclude that this is a 90 degrees. So if this is a 90 degrees, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we say that TP square plus OT square, okay, which is the radius, equals OP square. Okay, so here is the case. Here in this, we need to first, this is where we have to get the center, and from the center we get the radius, then the radius we use the center to get the hypotenuse, that is the OP. Okay, and that is a long process, a long way to go. So here is the easiest way. What we do is we find the absolute value of the equation of the circle at the exterior point. I repeat, we find the absolute value of the equation of the circle, okay, at the exterior point. Okay, at the exterior point. what we're trying to say is that the length TP, which is the tangent, okay, the length of a tangent TP, the length of the tangent is equals to the absolute value, okay, is equals to the absolute value of, okay, x squared plus y squared minus, okay, minus 8x, okay, plus 16. That is it, okay, at the point 7, 8 coordinates. So that means x equals 7, y equals 8. Okay, you following? Let me scroll down. Okay, so we have all right, so we have our length TP. Okay, length TP will be equals to the absolute value, okay, that is the square root. Okay, absolute value is square root, you know that. So the square root of the x squared, so that is 7 squared plus y squared, so 8 squared minus 8x, that is 8 times 7, okay, then minus 6y, so minus 6 times 8, okay, then plus 21. You get that? So that means we have the length TP, okay, the length TP will be equals to the square root of 7 squared is 49, okay, plus 64 minus 56, okay, minus 48, okay, minus 48 plus 21. Okay, so we have the length TP will be equals to the square root of, okay, 49 minus 48, that gives us 1, plus 64, 65, minus 56, that's 9, plus 21, that's 30. Okay, so 30. So the square root of 30, okay, that's TP, will be the length TP. So what is the square root of 30? Square root of 30, okay, square root of 30, let me check. Square root of 30 will give us 5.48. okay, you can take from the calculator, right? Square root of 30, okay, so here square root of 30 is 5.477, so you run so you get 5.48. okay, so that is it. So the length of the tangent is 5.48. all right, so that is it. So the easiest approach, as we've said earlier, the easiest approach is for you to what, to find the absolute value, find the absolute value of the equation at the point, at the exterior point. Okay, so that is that. Hope you've understood everything. So what you do is, if you're looking for the length of if you're looking for the length of a tangent, it will be equals to the length of a tangent equals to the square root of, is equal to the square root of the equation of a circle, so x1 plus y1 plus, okay, 2g x1, okay, plus 2f y1 plus c. So where the x1 and y1 are the exterior points, okay, x1 a1 are the exterior points, okay, they are the exterior points. So that is that. Subscribe to my channel and activate the notification button